We are working on Word Multi-Project 2. We're working on the desktop support project. Currently we're on task 1. It asks us to add the page number to the bottom of the page. So we're going to click Insert and we're going to go to this section right here. If you're not careful, you're going to think footer because it's the bottom of the page. You actually want to select page number, click bottom of page, and that's where you'll scroll down to accent 4. Select that. Goes ahead and adds that page number setting to the bottom of the page. We'll click Mark Completed. It asks us to go and change the subject property to desktop support. So in order to get to that section, we need to go to the backstage, which is by clicking File. And over here, if you don't see your section, make sure you hit Show All Properties. And we want subject here. So we'll click Desktop Support. A lot of my students here hit the space bar after this and throws it off. It will mark you wrong if it's not correct. The third task asks us to display the paragraph marks on this document. So we're on the Home tab. We're in the paragraph group, and we're looking for this backwards P, which is the Show Hide. So we'll click that. Notice all the paragraph markings are now displayed. Click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to highlight prerequisites. So we'll go ahead and select that selection, or select the word, and we're going to go ahead and click this section here. Now it says yellow. If you're not sure, hover, because you might get like turquoise or something, but we just need yellow. Click Mark Completed. And then finally, underneath the syllabus section, it's going to ask us to insert a table. So we're going to put our cursor below that section heading, click Insert, Table drop-down box, and it's going to have us select this right here. Now, rows go left to right, columns go up and down. So it tells us that we need 3 rows by 4 columns. That'll do it for us. We'll click Mark Completed.